Welcome to Novus, ladies and gentlemen. Constellation of opportunity. So I'll be leaving a link in the pinned comment for you and also on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself here. How it works: you create an account, you complete quests, you claim your stake. Right? Without any further ado, let's click on Start Farming. You are to sign up by providing your email address and the password, and you click on Sign Up. So your account has been created and a link has been sent to your provided email address. You go click on it, the link. You solve a captcha. Your email is verified. Now let's go log in. Now you have 200 points to claim. Let's click on claim points. Alright, next claim will be in 12 hours. Supercharge earnings. Invite friends to earn more points. My passport. So total points streak 0. I just signed up. My rank is newbie. I joined December. You want to share a post? Let's go. Check out my Novus passport. I'm farming points and climbing the ranks. Post. So back here, and there's a daily quiz. You complete the daily quiz, you earn 50 points. Daily check-in, you get 10 points, and the bonus streak. Like daily post, repost daily comments, follow X, join Telegram. So these are some of the tasks you'll be completing to earn points. Let's take the daily quiz. Alright, I got it. And it's a Twitter post to like, and by the way, let's follow them as well, Novus Official. So back here, and you can claim this rewards. Such tasks require some verification, but then, alright, I've checked in for the day. I see the menu here. There is profile, referral info, achievements, and frequently asked questions. What are points and why should I collect them? Points are key to becoming an early member of the Novus ecosystem. Why is my referral still pending? Your referral is only counted as verified after the person you invited clicks the verification link. How can I earn the most? Complete daily quests, maintain your checking streaks, and invite friends, right? What else would you need to know here? The referral link is here. You click on invite friends. You can either share it on Telegram or on Twitter, right? So once you share, you can copy it from there. Your referral tiers are bronze tier, you need 10 verified referrals. Silver, you need 30. Gold, you need 100. Diamond, you need 1,000. Cosmic, you need 10,000, right? So this is Novus at a glance, right? So you want to do your own research to understand better, and if you have a promo code from their social channels, you can put it here to claim. So I think we have one. Let's try it. Let's click on claim. Oh, something went wrong. Oh, my balance is 640 and my tasks have been completed for all my tasks, and I don't know, did that code work? Well guys, we'll be learning more about the project as we continue using it, right? So in the meantime, this is Novus. You found my link in the pinned comment, so you jump on it, register, and start earning points. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.